Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Gonna go on my ride today. It's about 39 degrees. But the wind's not blowing too bad, I don't think, so we're gonna see how we do today. Been working really hard on this grow room trying to get it done, but I'm going to get my ride in today for sure. I've been missing it the last few days, so let's get going. Yeah, I made my turnaround. Pretty cool out here today. 6-mile-an-hour wind doesn't seem like a whole lot, but boy, you get on the road, you really feel it. Woo. Keep it on. Well, out again, and today it's a beautiful day. 70 degrees. I'll take it. I'll take it. Got Mama with me, and my daughter's out here somewhere, so beautiful day. Eating bugs though. Alrighty. Did I mention it was a beautiful day? Oh, it's just so gorgeous. Just so gorgeous. That's what I'm talking about. These are the days I love to ride. You get a few cold days underneath your belt and it's like, it's cold, but a day like this is like, brings the joy all back. Oh, it makes me feel like a kid again. Alright, keep riding here. Yeah, I wonder if my little dog will be out here today. Waiting for his treat. I don't see him. Sometimes you don't see me until I get right up here though. Yeah. Maybe he's not out today. Don't see him. There he is, over there laying by the tree. He didn't come out today. Well, I went 12 miles today. Yeah, my total is 29. Oh, if you remember my last video, my odometer turned over on me. My odometer turned over on me when I had 6,260 or 80 miles or something like that. But I just said, well, I'm gonna say it's 6,250. So I'm 6,280 almost now. Yeah. But I still have 3 bars after 12 miles a day, and the wind was really strong. 6,280 miles on a beautiful day. Well, I didn't do all those miles today. Anyways, it's a good bike. I'll leave a link down in the description. They run specials on them from time to time. I'm gonna have to get a new tire here real soon though again. Actually, I got it already. Just have to install it. My rear tire's getting kind of wore. I think I see some tread there, so I have to change my tire real soon. Alrighty, it's Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching.